Guys, when your bike or car faces a problem, you take it to a local garage where you will meet a local mechanic. And now there comes a situation where you have to replace a part. And when replacing a part, you have two options. One is put original part and the second option is put a aftermarket part. Now there are two scenarios that can happen. The first scenario is, since the aftermarket parts are slightly cheaper, we opt for that. And the second scenario is the aftermarket parts are sold at the premium price to maximize profit. And there is another scenario as well where we just put the original part. Now as a customer, what we should do, guys, because there is so much confusion out there. What parts we should put, what exactly is the difference, all those things we will find out in this video, guys. So keep watching and don't skip even a bit, because it is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. Now the first thing that we will do is we will see what is the difference between the original parts and the aftermarket parts. Now original parts means those parts are made by the company itself. Now if for example Honda Activa, all the parts of Honda Activa are mostly made by Honda, or Suzuki access parts are made by Suzuki. But when it comes to aftermarket parts, those parts are made by some other company which is not manufacturing the scooter or the car. So that is the first major difference, guys. The second thing is, guys, the original parts will be slightly expensive because they are quality products made to last. Because if they don't last, then the car or scooter also will not last and people will stop buying their product. So they will obviously come out with a good product. So the original parts are expensive, whereas the aftermarket parts are slightly cheaper. This is where we fall into the trap, guys. We see that the aftermarket part is slightly cheaper, so we replace the part with the aftermarket part. Now for example, if you put an aftermarket part, what will happen? Which takes us to the next thing, which is functionality and performance. Now the original parts will always give you good performance, guys, or the performance that the bike should give. Whereas the aftermarket parts will never give you a good performance, guys. On contrary, it will give you the worst performance. I will just give you an example as what happened with me. On my Suzuki Access, the accelerator cable got worn out, so I had to replace it. I was in a hurry, so I went to the local market, in the local garage. They did not have the original accelerator cable, so I had to buy the aftermarket cable. Okay, I bought it home, I replaced it. And you guys know how difficult it is to replace the accelerator cable, guys. You almost have to open the entire bike, but I did it. I replaced the cable, and after replacing, guys, when I took the test drive, the ride quality and the performance of the accelerator cable was horrible, guys. There was too much free play in the throttle. I had to turn the throttle too much to go ahead. The speed was also less, and it was a horrible experience, guys. So I rode the bike like that only for few days, then I got fed up of it, and then I again replaced it with the original cable, which gave back my performance and the ride quality. This is why, guys, never replace a mechanical part, a moving part, with the aftermarket part. Now that was my experience, guys. What about your experience? You must have replaced some of the parts and you might have seen the difference. If you have faced anything like this, and see that you comment below and let us know, guys, so that it will help other people as well. This is your channel, guys, so let's help everybody. Another thing with the original parts is, guys, they will last longer because they are good quality parts, guys. For example, say brake pads or brake shoes. The original brake pads or brake shoes will last longer and they will give you good performance. Means your braking will be good. But when it comes to aftermarket parts, first of all, you are not going to get a good braking performance, guys. Your braking performance will drop drastically. Secondly, guys, your brake shoes or brake pads will worn out faster. So now you will have to replace them faster. And the difference between the both is only a 50 rupees difference. Do let me know in the comment section below what is the difference between the both, guys, because I always go for the original parts. If you guys have bought aftermarket parts and if you know the difference between the prices, then see that you comment below and let us know, guys. Another thing with the original parts and the aftermarket parts is, original parts, if you replace them at the service center, then you will get a 6 months warranty, guys. Now some people don't know about this, but you get a 6 months warranty. But if you go in a local garage and if you replace the part there with the aftermarket part, you are not going to get any warranty on that, guys. Now no parts will get worn out in 6 months, guys, but it can happen as well. So the choice is yours. Now some aftermarket parts are okay to replace, guys. Now parts like your seat cover, your mirrors, your guards, your rubber mats, this type of parts you can easily replace with the aftermarket parts, guys. But when it comes to mechanical parts like your engine parts or the cables or the brake shoes or the drive belt or the pulley, if you replace all of these parts with aftermarket parts, then your performance is going to drop drastically, guys, and you are going to notice a difference. Now you will complain that you are not getting good mileage, your ride quality is not good, you are not getting good pickup and all that stuff. So before you complain, just go back and see what parts you have put on your bike first. Now you will say that in my local garage they don't sell original parts. What should I do? What you can do in that situation is that you can go and buy the original parts and give it to the mechanic and tell them to replace with the original part and stand there and watch them replace. Now some mechanics, guys, they do this. What they do is they pretend as if the part that you have bought is not fitting properly, and then they get the aftermarket part which is available at their garage and they replace it very easily. Beware about this, guys, because obviously original parts will fit properly. If it is not fitting properly with him, that means he doesn't know how to fit it. As simple as that. Now guys, I have lots of videos on repairs and I have explained in details how to replace parts and all that stuff. If nobody is ready to do your job, buy the original parts and do your job by yourself. You can easily do it at home if you have the right tools. Now what tools you need, I have also made a separate video on that. Go on my channel, watch all those videos and be a master in DIY, guys. If you are facing any problems, then see that you comment below. Because guys, when you put the original parts, it will give you that trust, it will give you that reliability, and now you can ride or drive with confidence. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you and I'm hoping that you have learned a lot in this video. If you found the video useful, then see that you like and share it with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raison Fernandez signing out until we meet again.